Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the stock screener for swing trading in Tradingview so you can filter through thousands of tickers and find high probability setups in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Professional Screener tool. The first step is finding the advanced scanning engine within the Tradingview ecosystem. From the Tradingview homepage, hover over the Products tab in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, navigate to Screener and then select Stocks. In 2026, Tradingview has consolidated its tools under the Products menu for faster access. By selecting the specific Stocks screener, you bypass the crypto and forex filters, ensuring the data columns you see, like market cap and sector, are relevant to the equity markets you want to swing trade. Next, set your time frame for swing trading. Because swing trading involves holding positions for days or weeks, you need to ensure the scanner is looking at the correct data interval. Locate the Time Frame button in the top left of the screener toolbar. It usually defaults to 1D. For effective swing trading in 2026, set this to the daily 1D or 4H timeframe. This is the filter phase. If you leave the screener on a 1-minute or 5-minute time frame, you'll be flooded with day trading noise. Setting it to the daily time frame ensures that the technical indicators you are about to apply are calculated based on long-term market structure, which is the sweet spot for capturing 5% to 20% swings. Lastly, apply technical filters for momentum. Now, you need to tell Tradingview exactly what kind of price action you are looking for by using the Filters menu. Click the Filters button, the funnel icon, in the top right of the screener. Search for and apply these three key filters. Exponential Moving Average, EMA 20, set this to Price is above EMA 20. Relative Strength, RSI, set this to RSI is between 40 and 60 to find stocks that aren't overbought yet, and Volume, set Average Volume 90-day to above 500K. In 2026, swing trading is all about trend following. By filtering for stocks above the 20 EMA, you are only looking at assets in a confirmed uptrend. Filtering for liquid volume ensures you don't get stuck in a pump and dump where you can't sell your shares easily when your price target is hit. And that's pretty much it. To use the stock screener in 2026, hover over the Products tab, select Screener, and click Stocks. Set your time frame to daily, apply filters for EMA 20 and volume, and sort your results by relative volume to find the strongest leaders for your next big swing trade. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.